Kipper can always call on his friends. On a sleepless night.
Who on earth could that be? Hello?
It's me, Kipper.
Hello, Kipper.
I can't sleep. What do you think I should do?
In fun times. And when he's sick.
Kipper, are you feeling all right?
Yes, Pig. I'm feeling very well.
Well, you look terrible. Hello, Kipper. Are you feeling better now? I made you a get well card. Look.
Even for a bad case of the hiccups.
Hello, Kipper. It's a lovely day, isn't it?
Yes, Jake. I don't think I've ever seen such a lovely...
I think you've got hiccups, Kipper. I could always give you a bear hug. That always shits them.
Are you sure?
Oh, yes. Come on. You stand here.
And sometimes when help is not wanted.
I'm off to the jumble sale. We've already been. I made Kipper get rid of all his old junk.
Friendships, a great reason to celebrate. Enjoy 6 tail-wagging stories of friendship on Kipper's Friendship Tales, now available from Hit Entertainment.
This is a story of a charming little mouse who dares to dream big.
Angelina Mouseling, famous star of prima ballerina.
Angelina practices her twirls and pliés and arabesques over and over. Her best friend Alice is by her side in good times and bad.
Alice, you really are the cleverest best friend in the whole world.
And her ballet teacher, Miss Lily, guides the little star's passion as she dances toward her dreams.
Well done, everyone.
Sometimes she can be a little feisty.
Do it my way and we'll have the audience in tears.
But when Angelina takes center stage, she gets rave reviews. Look for Lights, Camera, Action, and other Angelina Ballerina products. Available now from your friends at Hit Entertainment.
Playing with Barney makes children happy, but Barney knows that kids have other feelings too.
Even if you're very little, your feelings can still be very big. They can make you frown or make you smile. They can make you jiggle or make you cry. Could be happy, could be sad. Everybody's got feelings. Everybody's got feelings. It might feel little for some of your day, or big and scary, but that's okay. Could be angry, could be glad. Everybody's got feelings. Everybody's got feelings. All different feelings, all in one day.
Watch Barney's Happy, Mad, Silly, Sad. Available now from Hit Entertainment.